over here, Jake. Over here. There it is. It's coming right over us.
Oh, back this way.
Where it is, that?
Yeah, it's upside down.
It's going to come out over there.
3.
We look like a big noob.
It's airshow. What do they expect us to do?
It's the airshow.
Well, it's not quite. It's next week.
He's gonna love it tomorrow with the red arrows. Don't have a clue.
Now it's going into land.
I don't know. That's what a lot of the places.
Was down.
Yeah, I know. So was the other one. The other time it goes down, does like a carriage run, then it goes back up and round.
Kyle?
Yeah.
I haven't seen her because you just went to the doctor's, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
So I didn't see you.
Yeah. How are you?
Pretty good.
Good.
And do you know what I did today?
What did you do?